Wherever we change down, we will speak about it.
Nice.
हाँ?
Previous slide with
The silent movie. Okay. Parameter are taken. And in the parameters, if you feel the instruction, just taken parameters of how much we have worked on. First time the जास्त time देता है. Okay, we have made a mistake on that 9 inches, which we have corrected. We have written 18 inches here. Overlap.
No,
Not
9 plus 9.
9 plus 9. And on this also I will be giving a confirmatory small slide on after the design, whether as Lathan said it might be two-way design or what we are using below and what we are using the chart, how we are using it. So that I will give an actual site photograph. I send across a site photograph that is actual. RCC composition M20 or preferable is M20 unless you are really going for the high stress, high load slabs, so high load by M25. Pillar slabs we feel should be added because it is one of the non-conventional methods of reducing the intake of cement. Waste materials, yes. These are the three waste materials. Though we are also using something that is called dyeing waste slag, where we say there is one more thing here we will add. It's called the filler. So for filler we can in areas like road we can use all the dyeing material waste that comes.
What is the penetration? In cities like Pune and Mumbai.
Fly ash?
Penetration.
We are not talking about blocks.
I am talking about this fly ash bricks. Fly ash bricks.
There are some.
I want to know what is the penetration level and the resistance. It is like on the bar,
I will tell you, when PV Shirkesar did the fly ash thing and it started, of course, the problem is still there as far as the moisture vapor transpiration ratio or the travel of water through the plant. The problem is still there. We have developed certain chemicals which can be applied as we had mentioned in 1, 2 rupees, 3 rupees different goes to certain. But fly ash has a it's preferable to use fly ash bricks inside.
How many people are using the formula?
In terms of
Maybe 15, 20%.
half the penetration.
I'll give an example. They set up a second plant in Pune, in Tumkur, near Bangalore. It took them exactly 8 months for the plant to be fully booked. In fact, now if we have ordered fly ash bricks from the Tumkur plant,
Can you say
we have to give them 3 to 6 months advance.
Say 1 building out of 100 building are utilizing fly ash bricks.
No more. More.
More.
flash bricks are used very
Very
regularly.
regular. Yeah, I think 15% is the.
No, जास्त पण असू शकत. You can check it out on the net.
It has different bricks to it.
But and mind you, Shirke is not the only fly ash bricks
No,
manufacturer
I'm
now.
talking about the manufacturer. I'm talking about the
The volume is there, more than 15.
Yeah, I thought it was mentioned, saying that the radiation levels are higher in the fly ash. That's the reason why people are not encouraged to accept.
No, this flash it is
No, no,
basically
no,
the
no,
name
no.
of the to some extent as compared to
Any
I-
material that you are going to excavate from the earth will have certain amount of radiation. We are talking about radiation of fly ash as Roshni Patel, to say that it is from a thermal plant,
Yeah.
so cold things. So
That's only.
Yeah, we can address that by some expert who can tell you that okay, thermal plant at X 1000 degrees centigrade of burning that coal and that fly ash that comes out, is the radiation still there or is it irrelevant?
No, not thermal radiation. The nuclear.
Radioactive factor can be certain because there would be radioactive factors from most of the materials that come from under the earth. Then I am not an expert on that. I won't be able to tell you what is the parameter of that or what is the safety. It is to be known. I am sure one of the.
That should be part of this.
So we can ask one of the labs in India can tell you that what is the level of radiation. As you know, fly ash is being used very well. And fly ash itself is being used everywhere. There is one detrimental thing of fly ash is that you have to control the spread of it in the air. Because it is so fine. It can lead to also. Auto plaster in the ready mix. This is what we should encourage more and more. Reduce your dependency on cement and auto. Encourage all these guys to come up. These are some of the products on that. The front of lion, lamb, case. The fillers are used, there is a lot of fillers that can be used. Lots of them. Give body to it. In the walls, we removed the red bricks item because we felt there is no need to even talk about it. Anyway, it is a regenerative product which is actually, it should be out of the market. Or the people who are making red bricks should be taught how to make file stabilized wire cutters. Cold theory.
Are you suggesting a policy that you can't stop big kills from happening?
And but don't you think they have reduced very drastically?
Well, they have reduced, wherever they have reduced, they have reduced. But if you want to stop it from happening, then there has to be a policy.
There has to be a policy.
Because otherwise there is freedom for the big kill makers. Because there's a
But then you have to provide them an alternative way of earning.
at both ends. That means farmers who want to abandon their land and do other things will start selling soil. Similarly, there is still a huge market for grapes. Now, if you don't want to wait till it is exhausted, or you want to have a policy change which intervenes and brings about that change.
I personally would want to have a policy change and intervene. Then personally, you ask me, I would like to have a policy change and intervene and say stop this process of
Is that part of
big
your
killing.
part of the policy?
Yes. On this front, rated block, fly ash, all this stuff made is technology in India, made in India, made by India. So technology and corrosion bricks still remains German-based technology. I have again a personal thing on that says I do not see why I can't use technology developed by Germany, China, America, or because it doesn't take me too much time to email that technology. For me, they are all human beings. They have got technology. I might tweak it a bit, but I will use it for India. It doesn't bother us as long as it is made in India.
Adaptation is always possible. Adaptation.
Adaptation is possible, and then they also understand that they are not able to service more than 600, 500, 600 kilometers. It goes way beyond the logistic and front and the fuels and all that. So they are also thinking of putting up plants region-wise. So if they do that,
Is this patented or not patented?
Corona, I am not sure.
If it is patented, then we cannot use it.
Then we can only adapt it to the patent.
No, if it is not patented in India, we can use it.
We can use it.
No, you can produce it. Use it, of course.
No, you can produce it.
Yes.
If it is not patented,
then you will have to
you have full legal right to produce.
take up franchise.
But the plant itself is a pretty expensive plant. It is more than if I was.
degree centigrade, you know,
Yesterday somebody was saying that Jugaad.
So
Maybe.
what's the advantage of this brick compared to, you know, whether it is fly ash brick or, you know, regular?
Biggest advantage of the brick is in hot places where it can actually keep the house cool. The transfer of heat inside the envelope of the building is avoided. It's pretty effective. And they also put the what is that foam?
Styrofoam.
Polyurethane foam.
Styrofoam.
ते foam पण त्याच्यामध्ये घालतात. If it is on the west side, they put foam inside. The foam inside. So they that you know that you have a element that is pretty
Heat
large.
incidence.
See, if you put within while making this, your polystyrene granules. What polystyrene means? अपना thermocol.
Thermocol ball.
Thermocol granules in this about 8 to 10%. First thing is makes it lightweight. Then it acts as it's a bad conductor of heat, so it acts as a heat insulator. Either way, in summer heat will not come in. In winter it will not go out. So
There are a lot of pluses for this idea, and it is strong.
Forge is done it already.
It's pretty strong, and it is it is cuttable by the saw also.
What is the price of it?
Very comparative to.
by the fire.
They are the same as far as your
I went to
AC
the lab, research in the lab and I saw.
Otherwise, they will not. Otherwise, you see, yeah. All these things that have to, they have to be compatible. Some people do the 5 rupees plus or minus sometimes, but they have to be somewhere around the near range. Otherwise, they are not going to go ahead with it. This again is Malaysian. Comes from Malaysia. It is being widely used now. This is a debatable point whether you say yes.
What
I
is the
am.
material? What is this material?
No, it's only shuttering.
Shuttering is concrete. Shuttering is just for concrete.
Yes.
We just slim form the.
They make it monolithic
Yeah, fill form.
and get boiled inside.
Yes.
So how is it the,
But there
I am happy with it, sir, because all of them then use thermofilter.
I know you are happy because you are 24 hours in AC air
I'm
conditioner.
not sustainable.
No, he is 24 hours in AC. So he is happy.
There is new experimentation going on. To use cement coated clay pellets,
Then put a clay pellets.
clay granules, cement coated, so it becomes like balls, like your thermocol balls, and they push that into the concrete as in addition to the metal.
Oh,
So
okay.
it gives you your insulation, etc., for sort of Myron construction. And that's a technology that's being developed in Berlin this time.
New model, new.
In fact, the guy that's developed it has used it for his own house to prove a point, and he spent 2 winters already, and he says it works like a dream.
So then, sir, we should do it with one of the.
In Pune, there is one person called Mr. Ramdas Mani. He was in Guinness Book of World Records for designing a machine for making largest blocks of thermocol sheets. And he sold it to one of the sheikhs of Dubai. So he is in Pune in Gosri. He makes those machines. So he is making blocks, cement blocks using thermocol wheels.
Yeah.
And he has a curing unit on one side. He's making bricks now. Curing unit on one side, where temperature is about 85-90 degrees. And on the other side of the room where there is office, is temperature difference between these two is about 20-25 degrees.
Mahesh is also doing it in plastic, no covered in.
No, that's different.
So he is making panels. The same thing is using fly ash and thermocol.
He is doing something. He is importing panels from China.
Because it is cheap. He is not bothered about the ethics. He says I am Anganwadi at.
You clear your stand.
Sir?
Whether you are talking about eco housing, eco environment friendly, if it is cheaper
He is not worried. We are worried. We are saying okay, fine.
So
You are do that.
you are committed for eco housing,
Yes.
environment friendly housing, or cheaper material.
But I am saying it is possible to be done. I mean, there is somebody who is doing it there.
That can be done here. Calcium silicate boards are here.
Yes.
They are a little expensive. That's
I am not saying that I am agreeing that we should import. No. I am saying he is importing because it is cheap. I am saying, I'm not saying he's agreeing. I agree with the process. What he
One
is
should
doing
not
is,
claim
but
that-
what he is doing is
One should
using
not
how-
claim it's an eco-friendly then, which he claims.
But he is doing the same walls for the Anganwadi, and they're quite effective. I mean, I take the point that these pillars and all that thing, there needs to be lots of testing and everything to be done, and it is a good technology to use in making bricks also.
Yes.
There is a lot of pillars that waste can be used as pillars. But this is debatable because there is nobody in India making it. My own channel. But yes,
If we can make thin bamboo sheets
it's there already.
and and sandwich this thermocol embedded or this clay bricks with cement embedded sheet inside and sandwich with bamboo sheets, that's a good material.
The bamboo to the elements is not a good material.
No, we have
One side you can use bamboo, the other side you can't.
is it?
And
Because of that texture.
no, it's not stable.
Externally it's not stable. No?
And
If you make
secondly,
thin sheets, externally it will not be stable.
No, you don't be. So you have filler material. Between the two sheets, you are using cement and thermocol beads. That material.
But external is bamboo. No?
Yeah.
no, why do you need the external? Because once you finish that, you just remove your concrete is actually rolling out into the.
That was it. Yeah.
You don't
we were discussing about bamboo as a
shuttering material.
as a reinforcement. We were discussing, but then we thought where will we get that
No.
sustained?
The organic component of bamboo in concrete is not good.
Right, because
The alkaline situation of cement doesn't work. But you've got glass rovings, you've got all sorts of pillars here, composites, rayon.
Soon you'll find basalt fiber coming. All these rocks that we saw today, excellent fiber can be made from basalt. And it's very strong. Very strong.
Basalt fiber.
Yes. From these rocks that we saw today, all the black rock that we have around, we made excellent fiber.
How do you make fiber from this?
There is technology available.
As in powder.
Powder and then make a fiber. And it's
Very high.
and strength wise it's excellent.
And what is
It's
the
used for insulation.
Yes.
Insulation. It's
Okay.
used for insulation.
Oh, road make
Then
road.
door windows, again we need to take a call on whether we should remove that timber or not. We have kept timber because people are still using it, providing it plantation.
No,
So
it
you
can
can
be
just
reused
specify
timber.
plantation.
Plantation.
It can be
That's
plantation or reused timber.
No, that's
Plantation or reuse.
That's like imported timber. All imported timber is done. No, all imported timber is used technically plantation timber.
Or Canadian or that.
No, not
Canadian,
necessarily.
Malaysian, they're not allowed to export.
No, most of the timber coming to India is coming from Indonesia, Malaysia, where they are destroying the rainforest.
Indonesia is a timber surplus.
They're not allowed to export it.
No, Indonesia is timber surplus.
But sir,
Plantation timber
what
surplus.
I'm saying is that they're not allowed to export unless it's plantation.
And on top of that, India,
Stating that they are destroying their own forests.
No.
It's specified. Malaysia.
Roshni, even government of India would not
Question is, why should we buy timber from abroad? Isn't the embodied
Because
energy very
it's
high?
cheaper.
It is.
Cheaper is not, we are
So
not
that
looking
is-
at
that is
cheaper, we are
very
looking
well.
at embodied energy and
Let's do
green,
the
which is
math.
not.
Let's do the math.
But I think we should discourage. Why the.
That's what I think.
So it is anyway the global,
No, if you have a choice, there's timber composites also. I mean, technically you get powder coating that looks like timber, which is
That is
disgusting.
but we are talking about the.
No, I'm just saying there is a genuine need for somebody if he wants it. That's a choice he has.
We're not just letting it go inside.
I know.
If you had to choose and rate these, you put timber last. But that does not say that you cannot use timber to build doors and windows.
When priority 1 is recycled wood, priority 2 is certified plantation wood.
Yes.
And
Actually,
within that,
Certified
Indian source and then.
Yeah, I think it should be.
But I would do,
First
what I
of
would do here is isolate doors, window, frames and shutters. I think that's important.
Those windows then
The doors and window frames and the doors and window shutters are two different things.
Used wood is the first
First thing. Recycle. Well, technically, Burma teak is a recycled timber. The point is it worth looking
No,
at?
sir, it is still coming. It is still coming from Burma.
No, old Burma teak is a recycled timber.
But
Reused, not recycled.
they are still bringing it to shiploads from.
It's not
Think
reused.
of door or timber frame. Timber, we put it as the first material, sustainable material, or a cement frame that operates similar.
You can use cement frame, you can use metal frame, you can use sheet metal frame, you can use angle iron, you can use marble, you can use stone.
No, between cement and timber, timber would be better if it is reused timber, if it is plantation timber, definitely, anytime. Because it's a renewable material,
That's what we are saying.
That is not, because cement also has a lifespan and.
provided it is from a source which is not from a forest. That's what is
I
important.
think it's important to do the calculation on this.
Yes, it should be
No,
good.
we need to sit and do calculation. I mean, we didn't have time enough to do calculation, but when we can, we have to tweak this on calculations on all this. There are some there we'll have to do a carbon, what you call it, some stuff. There will be a calculation, some stuff there which is coming from logistics. We'll have to do that. I mean, that's what we are suggesting, that there should be a lab and
Just
everything as
one
a
example
center.
is, one example is I was doing this exercise with interior design students, and they were asked to look at life cycle analysis. They were asked to take any material. So they took rubber, one of them had taken rubber flooring. Okay. Now that manufacturer, we found she actually traced the whole thing, and she found that the rubber was actually recycled from the tires in India, but it was going to Southeast Asia, where it was chopped and other. Then it was going to Germany for some other technology, and then it was coming back to us. So I said, look at the carbon footprint of that.
Definitely, lot of things are happening, lot of things are going from here to Korea. For example, thermocoat. Koreans are buying thermocoat and they are concentrating small units. They make it a bowl. Then it is exported and they make furniture out of thermocoat and it comes back to India.
But why should it go there? No, why don't we develop entrepreneurs who can do this business?
That's exactly what I'm trying to put in the last thing that what I'm saying is look at technology outside.
Don't avoid the material just because it is friendly
Because
going.
technology that encourage
Article should be given to the
Just cut and paste it from timber on top to timber at the bottom. Half your discussion will be over.
Correct.
Let's also keep piece of time.
You have to go back to silence.
Big fat cobra. चांगलं होणार आहे पण my thing is required. If I am saying we are going to get legislation to throw out the brick manufacturer only, why am I talking about it?
We have some other bad cobra. There will be so much waste material here.
cricket bat चा cobra आहे.
Enough of prepared cobalt.
No, you for laying brick bat cobra is an art. To achieve that slope, achieve those ridges and valleys, it's an art. Not everybody is supposed to can lada the house. On debris you can't unless you have some sort of. Right. I think I don't know. I want to take a call on that. We remove that brick bat cobra.
So that if debris is not every time concrete debris, there is lots of
Leave it for now.
Any waste material can be.
Then the rest remains the same. Now the validation of the material remains the same. What we are talking about should be updated. There should be some legislation that
Can we
comes.
put some specifications?
Yes.
The minimum requirement to be met by a material.
Yes.
So then it will make a sense.
Coming to interior and flooring, basically that we have seen most of this the solid wood flooring we have taken, which are
I think
all the scientific things I don't know.
what we can do, I think, is stay with the core and shell and don't get into the interior spaces at all. Because then you're not doing justice, because then you have to address the entire services component. You have to interact.
This is coming core and shell. Fluorine.
No, why?
Shell.
Core and shell मध्ये काहीच नाही.
But fluorine is a very integrated part of building.
Then there are hundreds of
I have not put interface, I have not put shaw, I have not put silicon. They are all that me and they ever see it.
That is basically carbon.
Rather than like, but for the simple reason that one, no doubt they are green. They are using fishing nets all over the world. Amazing amount of work they are doing fishing nets and making their surface. Cracking is the problem. But after 10 years, all the rubbish of them is going to be done here. They are still ready to put their plant for recycling.
You're getting the feedback. You're getting feedback from them. Plus, now you can stay here.
So we have not added that silicon and shaw and all that.
Bachche,
Away.
you're getting feedback from the speaker, ceiling speaker. Stay in the middle.
So we have not added those stuff. Those people are not addressing their own problem for the last 7 to 8 years that they are here.
No, let me put it like this. Interface is one of the prime examples. Ray Anderson is one of the heroes, the maverick of recycled and handling. I would not put a claim that he's not looking after his rubbish or his tail end or his...
They are not still. I am meeting every week. Rajendran was the country head.
He's working, he's trying to convince Singapore now. They have shifted out of Europe headquarters into Singapore. Whenever he's there, he's trying to tell them that India is a large country, this needs to be done on priority. Those guys are not listening. They want you to ship out all the old carpet from here, collect it, send it back to wherever their factory is, redo it there and then ship it back. That doesn't make sense.
No, first of all, about this interface carpets, it's a horrible material. Why? I'll tell you why. Because, first of all, carpet should not be used in India. In the warm and humid conditions, not at all, because they are the worst sources for breeding bacteria. All that, okay? Secondly, they are not good for India, let me tell you. Secondly, we have found that these carpets, they use the glue, which is very, very toxic, okay? And they give out probably more VOCs than even paints.
We have not added.
The carpet does not give out.
The glue that they use
The
for
glue that they use is done by the local agents to save
but
money.
it is an essential part of that carpet.
To save money, they are using rubber solution.
They manufactured by Pidilite.
They are using industrial grade rubber solution, which is not recommended.
And they are using that 2 inch by 2 inch square. There is a 2 inch by 2 inch double sided adhesive square which they put it like this.
That's what you're supposed to use, which costs you 10 bucks or 50
And it
bucks
is only
extra.
been used because in IGBC they say that for some point you get it.
That's the reason we didn't consider that. We saw the plus and minuses of that. We said there is no point in putting it, it will become controversial. That's what you said.
Partition.
Partition.
Interior partition. Partitions. You can use calcium silicate in the partitions. It's probably more stable than gypsum because gypsum has a paper on either side which is not pest control proof. Like termites. Calcium silicate is much more stable, much more difficult to work with.
Only drainage you use
Use foam concrete.
Colex would be fly ash.
Foam concrete. No, foam concrete.
Don't use branded. Don't use branded.
Okay, we won't use brand name. We'll remove all the brand names.
Aerated foam.
We are written aerated already.
Aerated concrete or foam concrete?
AAC.
Yeah, AAC.
AAC block.
It is basic.
Okay.
The EC is also a brand, incident.
No, AAC.
AAC.
I think from environmental perspective, E5 is also not a very good solution.
What?
T5 is like
T5 tube lights.
There's a good amount of mercury in it. LEDs is
I think T5 has got out of mercury trap.
See, the CFMs you are using,
Those
G5 is much more efficient than the
so,
CFM.
but the mercury content is
No, but you know, for reading purpose, these LEDs are not useful. Your eyes will have not.
Anybody idea on T28? Idea on T28?
For other utility areas, it's fine.
T28, why do you need it?
If you are
It is
reading-
good enough. No, why do you need a
good
T5?
enough.
T5 is good
T5
enough
is
for
good
reading.
enough. But the only thing that needs
taken care of is that the disposal is proper. It should not go into landfill. But T5 has special mercury content in
See, go to see basically they can be afforded into the project. The LED tube light that is there, which is non-breakable, all that stuff. Mara usko paisa bhi karo, it doesn't break. That is the best.
An LED tube light is in a glass case.
No.
The strip light you're talking about.
No.
The strip light you're talking about. is
Not
glass
strip light.
Plastic.
Sir,
Polycarbonate.
with the LED tube light है ना, tube light and LED. You hit.
I can throw from fifth floor.
No, that's the strip light, sir.
No, LED tube.
Tube light.
LED tubes are in glass.
No,
There's no
No,
glass.
no.
Plastic.
it's a
Polypropylene.
Polycarbonate.
Polycarbonate.
Yeah, polycarbonate.
Polycarbonate tube.
5वीं मंजिल से नीचे फेंक दो. Nothing will
It doesn't
happen.
break.
Dip in water.
No.
No. Dip in water. Nothing will happen.
3,200 bucks a tube.
I can give you for 1,600.
Get on.
हम लोग का क्या मिलेगा?
चलो चलो आगे.
I can guarantee. I have to best now in India.
I have not elaborated on this.
Is
I
by
think everybody knows that. There's a lot of savings that are there. We can elaborate.
but I have 30% more controller, efficient controller than Cisco.
Landscape.
अरे तूने बोल दिया तो सुनी तो नहीं रहा.
And like recommendations is what we are coming to here. Creating, we have picked up from both the groups also of creating awareness and educating people about sustainable materials. So it can all.
It can all.
It's a small road, you can tell it up. Go closer to the
Closer to the laptop. Okay. So creating awareness and educating people about sustainable materials is what we picked up from both the groups. Thank you. But it could also be incorporated when you take the general policy. So you could add this in the education program. Exhibition of sustainable building materials in institutional and public places. This is one thing that we were thinking about. Like now, Sasarudha sir has said, okay, you can exhibit in the subway of the College of Engineering as a permanent exhibition. So this is one tool that we can use in different public institutions and approach them and tell them, okay, these are the things that are happening, this is there. So put them up all around the place. Laboratory for validation and testing of building material. I mean, this is what I've been having for a long time. It really needs to happen. And as I said, I don't mind anybody and everybody coming together to do this as long as it's an independent laboratory run by a private. Government to bring the legislation regarding use of sustainable and give the subsidies for the same is what we would like to tell them. They are giving subsidies for X, Y, Z. So when we are talking about sustainable building materials, give them a subsidy for X amount of years. Okay, this is a factory starting 2 years, 3 years, give us a subsidy, then let them go on with it. The government should exhibit its commitment by mandating the use of sustainable building materials in government buildings. When you are saying that yes, we want to go green and we want to do this and we want to do that, so you show your commitment by saying that all government buildings should go green, should use building materials which are green. The banks to provide top loans for the management. Whatever we face here now, as I told you about that coupling wala also, that kid, I mean, what money did he get? He's out. That whoever is that major businessman from the north has put up a huge factory now. Idea was this man, so you need that small entrepreneur to get that start. And that small entrepreneur needs at least 2 years to stand on his feet. There should be a moratorium on the loan also that says 2 years I will not pay, I am going to work the market.
The small entrepreneur might not want to do it as an industry. The small entrepreneur might just have an idea.
That's his choice. You want to sell it?
He should have a mechanism by which he can sell his idea, incubate and sell his idea. That's what we're looking at.
For the incubation and service, there's no.
Yeah,
We have all the.
every guy who has an idea.
Why is there? For incubation, we have the infrastructure in
I'm
place.
just saying, every guy who has an idea doesn't want to set up an industry of that idea.
Yeah.
So you will find that Sardar from the north who will take over the business, but he should pay this guy handsomely.
Yes.
Or at least royalty over it.
Yeah. And the rating system to be introduced for individual building materials for construction, including interiors. There should be a rating system that is saying, okay, it's like now you said militant shop and interface. So we know exactly what they are all about. There should be a committee that sits and says, yes boss, 5 star, 4 star, 3 star. Let them then figure it out what they want to do, but there should be a system that should rate all the systems. They should say, okay, if it is super HV, so if it is AEC blocks, if it is the villa group, what is it all about?
In that category.
In that category. They should have a rating.
Who is going to steer this labeling program? Because for either efficient products like zero energy efficiency, they're doing it for say all so here who will be doing? Is it IGBC?
For what?
Who will be the authority, the organization managing
The rating system.
Yeah, the rating system. Who will be responsible?
We would like to get the rating system brought under the Sustainable Building Technology Center, SBTC, that is going to be formed. Or it can also come on the lab that we are talking about.
The lab, I don't think they should certify whether it is meeting the requirement. Labs should not be responsible for putting the salary. It is not their role.
Or the rating system for the building materials can be done by anybody for that. I mean, we can all say that okay, science and technology park can do the rating system. When the system is the who is going to run it.
At a national level, like it is being done by BE under Minister of Power. Under the Energy Conservation Act. So that is the act that empowers BE to do that. So similarly, we have a mechanism for slab level of all household materials what we are talking about. Because if it is decentralized, I think that's
This is the point that requires a little bit of more.
It's a good idea, but I think let there be mechanism, proper mechanism.
The mechanism has to be formed, maybe it might take 6 months to a year. Formulate it, who's going to form it and what's going to be, is there going to be a committee on it, are they going to be on it? And I'm giving an idea. I feel it's a need.
It's like your ISI.
Yeah.
It's the Indian standard.
ISI, then you have BIS. I'm going to ask
I'm saying BIS, ISI, whatever you look at, end of the day, is it helping you to know that you have an ISI branded product? Because today, I don't know, because today suddenly just because you have ISI doesn't mean anything.
ISI is not made mandatory, which is, the contrary to that, this star level program, which is mandatory.
Correct.
Yeah. So, the enforcement is not made by BIS. So, the difference is,
the enforcement on star level products is done by who?
Done by BE, under Minister of Power.
So, the same thing can be done for materials, except that which is the ministry that looks up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Some ministry, under some ministry.
Of course, it has to be taken up to the center. You can't do it only Maharashtra. You have to take it up to the center and you have to see. I believe Ecomark is happening, am I right?
Yep.
Ecomark. Ecomark has been announced. So it can be Ecomark for all I know. It can be Ecomark, but yes, Ecomark.
Building star leveling is there, which is coming under BE. So I think this needs to be discussed with BE, whether they can consider these the individual materials.
Building star level is completely different from material labeling. Like Ecomark, if you see, well, it has failed in
No, that's fine, but I am saying
Ecomark
whether we can approach BE.
See, Ecomark is a national umbrella. It looks after synthetics, fabrics, or everything from cosmetics to chemicals to waterproofing, paint, so whatever you name it. So across any sector, they have the umbrella organization to develop these rating systems. Now, it depends on the sector to approach them and say that we will give you the intellectual base to
For building
develop
matter,
the
who will
rating.
be the, in your opinion, who will be the responsible ministry?
See, the knowledge will come from
No,
us.
that's fine. You have a technical.
Ultimately, a national level umbrella is required, which is Ecomark. It's already there.
I would suggest one more thing out of this, that after we finish the second eco step or something, if there are people who are ready to spend some time over it, who have time to spend over it,
spearhead this effort to go correctly, they can raise them.
See, that is a matter of
Organization, NGO is the
Well, I am saying people among us who are deliberating this and who are saying that, who are saying, okay, fine, I am passionate for it, I am ready to work for it.
I think at this stage, let us leave it at a recommendation. We will work on the details of the program. So, okay.
So, yes, everyone's point.
You can ask BIS.
One more. Ending song, go. So come from the last one.
Yeah,
You were supposed to finish all three group by.
and all.
That's first.
Thank you.